Hello students, let's see some problems on the chapter superposition of waves. Problem number 10. A wave of a frequency 500 Hz is traveling with a speed of 350 meters per second. What is the phase difference between two displacements at a certain point at times 1.0 millisecond apart? And what will be the smallest distance between 2 points which are at 45 degree out of phase at an instant of time? So here we have to solve this problem. Let's first write here given. Here frequency of wave is given. Frequency, let's n is equal to 500 Hertz. Then speed of the wave is given. It is 350 meter per second. And we have to find out phase difference between two displacements at a certain point at times 1 millisecond apart. For this purpose, from these two terms, from this n and v, let's find out wavelength lambda of the wave. We know that v is equal to n into lambda, and therefore lambda is equal to v divided by n. But v is here 350 meter per second and n is 500 Hertz. This 0 will cancel. Therefore 35 divided by 15 means if we divide numerator and denominator by 5, we will get 7 divided by 10. Therefore, wavelength lambda is equal to 0.7 meter. So this is the wavelength of the waves. Now we have to find out the phase difference between two displacement which are 1 millisecond apart. Here displacement between these two waves, we can find out the formula. Displacement between two, separation between two displacement can be obtained by this formula. Velocity is equal to displacement. Velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Therefore, we can write this phi is equal to x divided by t, or x is equal to phi into t. But here velocity is 350 meter per second and time is 1 millisecond. That is 1 millisecond is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 second. So 350 into 1, it becomes 350 into 10 raised to minus 3 means it becomes 0.35 meter. So this x is equal to 0.35 meter or 35 centimeter. Now we know that phase difference of 2 pi corresponds to path difference of lambda, distance lambda. Therefore, for a distance x, corresponding phase difference will be delta. And therefore, this delta will be equal to 2 pi x divided by lambda. That is delta is equal to 2 pi x divided by lambda. Therefore, this 2, value of the pi, it is 180 degree. This x is the, we have seen this separation between these two displacements. X is equal to 35 centimeter, or we can write it as 0.35 meter divided by wavelength is 0.7 or 70 suppose. We can write this relation as like this: 2 into 180 into 35 divided by 70. We can write this, we can shift this decimal point by 2 digits to right. Similarly, we can displace decimal point at this point by 2 digits towards right. Therefore, 35 and 2 we can divide as like this. Therefore, we get 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, or it is equal to 180 degree, or which is equal to pi radian. 180 degree is equal to pi radian, or we can simply write this as like this: this phase difference delta, that is equal to 2 into pi into 0.35 divided by 70. That is equal to 2 into pi divided by 35. 0.35 divided by 0.70. So it becomes 2. So this 2 cancels and we get pi. So phase difference between these two displacements will be equal to delta is equal to pi. This. Now our second question is, we have to see what will be the smallest distance between 2 points which are 45 degree out of phase at an instant of time. Let's use the same formula, that is delta is equal to 2 pi x divided by lambda. Here we have to find out smallest distance, that is the x, that is equal to delta into lambda divided by 2 pi. Here phase difference between two waves is given as 45 degree. We know that lambda is 0.70. Then this 2 and value of the pi in degree, it is 180. This 45 divided by 45 is equal to 1. And 180 divided by 45, it will be 4. So it becomes 0.70 divided by 8. 0.70 divided by 8. So this displacement distance is equal to 0.70 divided by 8 meter. In centimeters, it will be x is equal to 70 divided by 8 centimeter. So this answer will be equal to x is equal to 8 point. If we divide 70 by 8, we will get 8.75 centimeter. So if two waves are 45 degree out of phase, then what will be the smallest distance between 2 points? Smallest distance between 2 points which are 45 degree out of phase is the 8.75 centimeter. In this way, we can solve this first problem. Problem number 10. Let's see next problem. Problem number 11. A sound wave in a certain fluid medium is reflected at an obstacle to form a standing wave. The distance between two successive nodes is 3.75 centimeter. If the velocity of sound is 1500 meters per second, find the frequency. So let's first write here, given, we have to solve this problem. Let's write solution. First, given, here distance between two successive nodes is given, but according to properties of stationary waves, distance between two successive nodes is lambda by 2. Therefore, lambda by 2 is equal to 3.75 centimeter. Therefore, wavelength lambda will be equal to 3.75 into 2. That is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So wavelength lambda will be equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now another thing which is given is velocity. V is equal to 1500 meter per second. And here we have to find out frequency n. Now we can find out this frequency n by this formula. We know that velocity v is equal to n into lambda. And therefore frequency n is equal to v divided by lambda. But velocity of the wave is 1500 meters per second. So this 1500 meters per second divided by wavelength lambda is, that is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. If we take this in meters, then wavelength becomes 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So we can write this as 1500 into 10 raised to plus 2 divided by 7.5. Let's write this equation as like this. N is equal to 1500 into 10 divided by 75. We can write it as like this. Into this 10 raised to 2 means 100. Let's divide this 15,000 by 75. We will get, it is equal to this 150 divided by 75. It will be 2 into these 2 zeros into 100. So frequency will be 20,000 hertz. Or we can write it as 20 into 10 raised to 3 hertz. But this 10 raised to 3 is equal to K. Therefore, this frequency N is equal to 20 kilohertz. So this is the answer. Frequency will be 20 kilohertz. Okay. Thank you. So students, try to solve the remaining problems, and you have any difficulty, you can call me. Okay, thank you.